Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my world again. We are going to do another procedural problem. So now we're going to convert centimeters to meters. And centimeters to meters, one of the things that you need to know right away that for every centimeter for every meter there is 100 centimeters. So that's something that should be common knowledge now. Okay? So if we're going to solve this problem, we will write 7 centimeters equals how many meters? One thing you need to understand that when you are converting a number, a small measurement of units, in this case is centimeters, to meters, the answer is going to be less. That means this number should be less than this number. Even though they're equivalent, one way to know that this is correct is to know that when you have centimeters converted to meters, this number should be smaller. And also it depends on the size of the centimeters. Let me demonstrate. So for example, you have now 7 centimeters, right? So we know now that 100 equals 1 meter. So in this case, we are going to divide. We're going to divide because it's going to become smaller. It's going to be less. The number is going to be smaller. It's going to be 7 centimeters divided by 100. Why 100? Because we know that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. Now, just so you know, because sometimes you will find problems this way, you can also write this problem 7 divided by 10 to the power of 2. Why? Because this number was divided by 10 twice. So there you have it. That's your setup. That's your problem. So the best way to solve this problem, my friend, is to use your best friend, the place value chart. This is a great tool. So, for example, we're gonna mark right here our decimal number. These are gonna be the ones, hundreds, and thousands, my friends. Okay, these are the 1/10, less than 1, 100, and 1,000. Okay, my friends. So now we need to write the number in the box. So the number is 7 centimeters, right? So we're going to write 7 centimeters because this 7 is a whole. So now we got to divide it. When you divide a number by 100, the number has to be smaller or less. Let's write smaller here. Smaller. Okay? So now let's say I don't remember how to use the place value chart, what I have to do in my head is say, if I move this number, the number 7, to the left once, that's going to become 70. And that is not what we want. When you divide, the number has to become smaller. So in this case, we have to move the number 7 to the right of the decimal number. How many times? Well, we always look at this number, the 100. It has 2 zeros, which means it's going to be divided by 10 twice. Let's go back to our place value chart. So let's do just that. So this is the 7 is in the ones. If we move it to the right twice, 1, 2, it will land in the 100ths. Correct, my friends? And that's the only number we have to divide. So now, knowing that we already have it there is a space between the decimal point and the 700ths. So then you write a 0 that represents the emptiness, which is nothing, which is no value there. So we have to mark it with a 0. Now, here's the question that is going to help you know if the answer is correct. Is 7 meters is the number smaller than the original number? And the answer is yes. Now remember, both of these numbers are the same value, have the same value. However, They are written differently because these are meters and these are centimeters, but they have the same value. So now we can say that 7 centimeters equals 7/100 of a meter. My friends, oops, sorry, you didn't see that. You were not watching that. So here's what I wrote. 7 centimeters equals 7/100 of a meter. Please get used to reading that. Hundredths, tens and hundredths. All right, my friends, I hope this lesson is going to make you a better mathematician. Please look at it. Watch the video again. Repeat. We learn by repetition. If you're struggling and you don't repeat something you have to learn, my friends, good luck. Okay? Signing out. Clark Kent. We'll see you on planet Earth. Have a great afternoon.